I welcome to you all to this next session of our Big Data Analytics Academics subject. Today we are going to discuss and begin the Hadoop concept. We will today see the basics first and then in the later sessions we will go into the details. Okay, we will start with the session. Before starting, I wish to let you know some of the instructions regarding the tournament. We have shared the question bank our Google Classroom. It is expected to complete by all the students by this month and maximum by the next week onwards. Okay, before starting with the session today, we are going to discuss and start with the Hadoop concept. That is a total Hadoop framework we have to discuss and see. It is moreover practical, though it's been considered as a theory at our syllabus as a next chapter. As we have discussed in the last session, that we have almost completed with the first five chapters of our syllabus. It is almost 60 to 70% syllabus we have complied with, and I have requested to you to please discuss among yourselves and let me know that which topic has to be revised so that our next sessions will we can dedicate to the revision accordingly. Till date, I have not received any response from any of the student. I again request you to please give the response at the Google Classroom or WhatsApp group or maybe individual WhatsApp or email by today so that by the next session we can start with the revision. For the today's session we are considering the Hadoop framework, but by the next session we are starting with the revision. There are two more issues to discuss with you. That's of this particular week we will thus complete with our revision. By the next week on means by the 2nd of November might be there will be the termed online examination. That sessions schedule how it will be conducted, that will be shared to you well in prior by Friday or Saturday, and then by the next week you will be having your termed before Diwali examination. That's something. And I have shared the question bank of the big data analytics subject at the Google Classroom, and it has been expected by the student that students should complete it with the 24th of this month. Okay, but I am expecting that you should comply it by the at least month end of this October so that it will give you the more and more practice. And remember, I again and again reiterating that point that by the February or maybe by the February first week, second week, in the month of that, you are going to face your university theory exams, and definitely they are will be in a traditional mode. That's a 70%, 70 marks exam. Traditional writing, question answers will be there, and for that purpose, you need to have the practice of writing, and that to the technical writing. It is not something to just to write the essay. That's why I shared you the question bank. That question bank is the compilation of last 5 years question papers of university, and that's why it is more important for you to solve that question bank at your register, scan it, make the PDF of all that registered, and upload it with your name at the Google Classroom. I am expecting all of you to please comply with that by this month end. With this brief, we will start with the session of Hadoop. To start with the session, let me share the screen with you. Before that, we will see the one small video that will give you the brief idea about the what do we mean by Hadoop. As all of us know that for to operate with, to transact with the traditional database, that is the RDBMS, we need to have the some of the SQL softwares like MS SQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL in case of Linux, MS Access or anything else like that. To operate with the NRDBMS, that is the NoSQL, we should have the some more elaborated software with us, platform with us, and that is nothing but a Hadoop platform, which is a best example of the NRDBMS. We will share, see the one brief video to start with, then again we will go to the presentation, and lastly we will conclude the session with the one more video that will give you the more idea about the Hadoop framework. This is a basic and fundamental session. later sessions we are going to into the depth and complex details of the Hadoop share. I think PPT video is visible and
Data
audible to you.
scientists are responding to growing organizational needs for
If there is
analytics
any
by
problem, please
investing in
let me know through the chat box.
big data and IoT projects. Implementing new platforms like Hadoop, Mesos, and NoSQL databases and integrating them with your existing web of technologies is a big undertaking. For starters, a new platform like Hadoop will need to ingest data from many different sources as organizational needs for analytics
See,
by
this is the
investing in
Hadoop.
big data and
If you're
IoT
dealing with the
projects.
big data,
Implementing
that
new
data might be
platforms
in a
like Hadoop,
unstructured,
Mesos,
unstructured
and
way.
NoSQL
For a
databases
Hadoop,
and
it is
integrating
the
them
best
with your
MySQL
existing
that's
web of
nowadays means
technologies is a big
it's used by
undertaking.
the all the
For starters,
players,
a new
all the
platform like
multinational
Hadoop will need to
companies.
ingest data from many different sources,
This
as well as
L contains
analyzing
the
new
symbol of
sources of
Hadoop.
data like social media and device sensors. Ingesting data is only step one. You now have to figure out how to process massive volumes of data and then make it available to the business for
The first
on-demand
step of Hadoop is
analytics.
to convert
Using
the
some low
data into the
grade point
presentational
solutions and
way
scripting, development teams
by
figure
using
out
some
how to
of the
ingest data,
algorithm like
process it,
MapReduce and
and are able to
etc.
show quick
We will see
success.
the
People
MapReduce
on the
in
business
detail in
side
this
like what they
session.
see and give the green light to start scaling this project. Data ingestion now needs to happen from tens or hundreds of applications. What worked initially is no longer enough.
That's how we can manage
And
the
all of a
big
sudden the
data.
project starts to grind and business users get frustrated. While there are many factors that contribute to the success of a big project, the secret sauce is
Automation is
automation
the
in driving
key.
quick time to market and building a reliable and scalable solution driven by big data. BMC's Control M is an enterprise-grade automation
This is the video
solution that
created
can
by the one of
automate
the
every
company
aspect of the big
which is
data
dealing with
journey.
the big data
Automate and
analytics.
schedule data ingestion with Control M from any application in your estate from a single pane of glass where you can clearly see the workflow and its dependencies. Out-of-the-box support for automating file
But this gives
transfers
us
makes it a
the details
very
of the
comprehensive solution, as it can
basics of
ingest file
Hadoop,
transfers from any source and connect
how
this
it
with the
is being used
offloads
by
and
the
ingestion from the
many
other
of the
applications in your
big
organization
data
or in the
players or
cloud.
data science
Control
players
M's
plus
native
is a new
support for
player.
Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL allows for seamless processing of the ingested data and
That's how
uses
big
its
data is being
enterprise-grade
converted to the
scheduling capabilities
presentational
to
way.
ensure that this happens at the right time. Control M can now automate the movement of processed data to an analytics layer, allowing business users to analyze the data in dashboards, reports in, and BI tools. Once the project is
Data
operational, you will
presentation
have
is the
access to
key.
intuitive dashboards
Yesterday only I
from
shared
a
the one
single pane
picture
of
on our
glass while
WhatsApp group
delivering big
that
data
how data
projects
can be
faster
arranged and
and with better
presented.
quality.
That is something with respect to the what do we mean by the big data. We will go back to our presentation. If there are any problems or suggestions or something required from your side, please let me know through the chat box if there is any audio visual problem, etc. Now, this is the big data. We are dealing with the Hadoop. Now, all of us know that the why there is a need of big data and why there is a need of special softwares like Hadoop to operate on the big data. That is how do you scale up the applications? Means need of lots of cheap computers and need of common infrastructure. That is a need. Means why the big data is needed due to this reason that the number of jobs are there processing at a time hundreds of the terabytes data. That's why there is a need of the scaling up application. Then why there is a need of lots of cheap computer because there is a reliability problem and fixes they will fix up the speed problem and there will be obviously the common infrastructure will be needed for the more efficient and reliable way of operating or implementation. Now, these are the solutions for that purpose that the open source Apache project means Hadoop is under the Apache project or develop that is open source development. Then Hadoop core includes the distributed file system, which is also called as a HDFS, Hadoop distributed file system, and one more operating algorithm on that how that distribute that is a map reduce algorithm. It is written using the Java. It runs on any possible infrastructure or platform like Linux, Mac, Windows, or Solaris, and commodity hardware also it runs on. Commodity hardware means the devices like Android or iOS mobiles. That the number of nodes can have typically in the two-level architecture. Nodes are commodity PCs. 40 nodes per rack can be there. That is a distributed way of running that Hadoop framework. Then uplink from the rack is 8 gigabit. That is the maximum. That rack means a physical device on which you are going to make the distributed environment, distributed infrastructure operational. अगर आपने कौन से भी लैब में देखा है, even at our DMI lab also, you might have seen the racks are there in the internet lab. Okay, that racks are like nothing but the some of the like the switches and routers. Okay, and they are being used for the distributed infrastructure making operational. And uplink is there, and the rack internal is a 1 gigabyte. Means internal means internally how that rack will be interacted with each other if the multiple racks are there. Okay, then single namespace for the entire cluster. Files are broken into large blocks. Client talks to both name node and data node. We are going to see this in detail in the later sessions. Access from Java, C or command line, that how you are going to operate on the Hadoop infrastructure framework, that is by using some of the command line argument you can operate on. Even nowadays, some players, some you can say being the Hadoop is an open source software, some players which are operating the Hadoop, they also gives you the graphical user interface like a Windows or any other graphical OS or application. Block placement default is the 3 replicas. Blocks are placed, clients read from the closet. Now from this point onward, we will see one more video that will give you more idea regarding this basic terminologies being used under the Hadoop framework. We will go to the next video. Let me share the VLC screen with you. These all videos are all being always uploaded on your Google Classroom. Please take the benefit of all the study materials being uploaded.
Enterprise architects and data scientists are responding to growing organizational needs for analytics by investing in big data and IoT projects. Implementing new platforms like Hadoop.
Now this is an introduction to Hadoop. Now what we are
So
going to, we are currently dealing with,
First,
that's
it's going to be the history of Hadoop, and then I'm going to talk about
history,
what is Hadoop,
then what is Hadoop, then
and
what
then I'm going to talk
Hadoop
about the
design
design of
under
Hadoop,
that Hadoop, then who uses the Hadoop,
and the
data analytics possible using the
analytics of
Hadoop,
Hadoop, and
why
why Hadoop can
Hadoop
compete
can compete with the
in
other
the
non-SQL,
economy,
NoSQL
and
databases, Hadoop
also Hadoop
architecture in detail, how
and then I'm going to
Hadoop
talk
file
about
system
how
works,
Hadoop file
an
system
example
works,
of the Hadoop
and then I
working,
have an example
and
of how
properties
Hadoop
for that purpose with
works,
respect to the
and then I'm
MapReduce
going to talk
engine,
about
and
the
we will
properties
summarize
of
accordingly.
MapReduce
That is
engine,
something,
and then
the
I'm
table
going to
of
finish with a
contents
summary.
are there.
So,
Then
history
what
of
is the
Hadoop.
history of
So
Hadoop?
Hadoop
That
was
Hadoop
created
is
by
a
Doug
very
Cunning and
recent
Mike
language, or you can say
Pavarello
the
in
technology
2005.
platform, which is being
Doug was
created
working at
in the
the time named after
2005
his
only
son's toy
by Doug
Elephant.
Cutting and
It was
Mike
originally
Caprella
developed to
at the
support
Yahoo,
distribution for
and
the
it
Net
is named after
search
their
engine
son's
project.
toy, that is
So, what is
Elephant.
Hadoop?
Then what
Hadoop
is
is a
Hadoop?
software
That's a
framework for
software
distributed
framework for
processing of
distributed
large
processing
data
of
sets
large data
across
sets
large clusters
with
of
the
computers.
terabytes or petabytes
So
of
large
data,
data
large
sets,
clusters of
terabytes, or
hundreds
even
and thousands
petabytes
of
of
the
data,
nodes. That's a multiple
with
node
large
data
clusters,
nodes.
the
हम
hundreds or
अभी
thousands of nodes.
presentation में देख रहे थे.
Hadoop is also an
And for
open
that
source
purpose, it
implementation
uses the
from Google's
implementation of Google's
MapReduce,
MapReduce.
and
It's based
Hadoop
on the
is
simple
based on a
programming
simple
model called as a
programming model called
MapReduce.
MapReduce.
It's based on the
Hadoop
simple
is
data
based on a
model
simple
that
data
any data
model,
will fit.
which
Means
is any
as we
data
are
will
all of
fit.
us know that the data can be unstructured, semi-structured, or
Hadoop's
any
framework
type of
consists of
data,
two main
heterogeneous
layers.
data. There
So
are
the
two
first layer
main
is
layers of the
distributed file
Hadoop. That's a
system, or
MapReduce, that's the
HDFS,
execution engine,
and the
that's at the
second
bottom,
layer
and the
is
distributed
execution
file
engine,
system, that is
which
the
is called
HDFS. Hadoop
MapReduce engine.
distributed file system, it is called as.
So there's a picture, as you can see, the master and the slave. So
These are
behind
some of the design principles of the Hadoop that
So
it
one design
needs to
principle
process
is
the big data.
process
Automatic
bigger data.
parallelization and
The second one
distribution is
is
there.
to
Fault
parallelize
tolerance and automatic
computation across
recovery.
thousands of nodes.
Clean and simple programming abstraction. That's
Also,
using
automatic
MapReduce, map
parallelization
and
and
reduce. These are the two
distribution, which is
different
hidden from
functions
the end
under
user.
that algorithm.
The
Then
fault tolerance
algorithm
and automatic
commodity
recovery
hardware is
also a
also
big
being
design
taken into
principle.
the consider,
So the
and
nodes
this
and
is in
tasks will fail
contrast
and will
with
recover
the
automatically.
parallel databases. Being the
It is also
distributed and
clean and
parallel,
simple
there are two
programming
types of
abstraction,
databases we have discussed
where
in
users
advanced
only provide
DBMS
two
also, and
functions, which is the
currently
map
that
and reduce.
distributed and
The
parallel.
commodity
All
hardware,
number
so
of high-end
they
expensive
use a
machines
large number
are
of
used
low-end cheap
for
machines
that
working
purpose
in parallel to solve a
to
computing
make
problem
them
instead
contrast
of
with respect
the
to the
parallel
parallel
databases,
databases.
which have small
These are
number
the
of
some of the
high-end
design
expensive machines.
principles under the Hadoop terminology.
So who uses
Then why
MapReduce?
or who uses this particular
Google was
terminology
the
or
first ones
like a
that
Hadoop
invented it, so
technology?
they're the
Many
main users of it.
multinational players,
Yahoo
giant
also
players in the data
developed
science like
Hadoop,
Google, Yahoo, IBM,
so
all
they
of them
are the
uses the
second main
Hadoop
users.
and MapReduce.
IBM,
Even
Microsoft,
Facebook,
Oracle use
Amazon,
it.
Netflix, and
Web-based
many
ones,
other
so Facebook,
universities and
Amazon,
research
AOL,
labs do
Netflix
use
use it.
the
Even eBay
MapReduce
uses
and
it.
Hadoop
Many
technology
others
in detail
and universities and even
for
research
the
labs.
purpose of analytics of their big
So under the
data.
large-scale
These
data
are the
analytics,
data analytics,
MapReduce
MapReduce
computing, so
computing,
for
that's
example,
Hadoop versus
versus
traditional
traditional
databases.
database systems. So enterprises that are
Enterprises are turning into the
Hadoop,
Hadoop nowadays. Applications that are generating big data. We
they're
have seen that the big
applications that
data
are
is being
generating big
generated by
data
social
and
media.
web
Even
applications, social
anything
networks.
will
So
generate
like
big data, structured,
before, like when I
semi-structured, and
said
unstructured
Facebook,
way. Web
etc.,
applications, social
and
networks, scientific applications, and that's why there is a need of Hadoop.
Why Hadoop is able to compete?
Why Hadoop is able
Let's
to
look at it.
compete? Why means
Scalability,
what is the plus
petabytes
point
of
of the
data,
Hadoop?
thousands of
The
machines.
scalability is the plus point.
Its
Then the
flexibility in
flexibility in
accepting
accepting
all
all
data
types of
formats, so
data.
there's no
There
schema
is
in
no
it.
rigid schema as such.
Efficient and simple
Thousands of
fault
machine
tolerant
petabyte of
mechanisms,
data. Then efficient and
and the
simple fault
commodity
tolerance
inexpensive hardware
mechanism.
that they use.
Commodity inexpensive hardware is there.
On the database
Whereas
side,
in the
there's
traditional
performance, so tons of
databases,
indexing,
performance turns,
tuning, and data organization. Its
features, provenance
provenance
tracking,
tracking,
provenance
annotation
tracking,
management.
annotation
So
management.
Hadoop's master and slave
Hadoop master
architecture.
slave
So Hadoop is
architecture is
designed as a master
here
slave
given here.
shared nothing architecture.
That's Hadoop is designed as a master slave distributed file system that is upward point, single node, and many slave nodes are there at the bottom. That's a execution engine. MapReduce layers are there. Task trackers are there, and you can see the Hadoop data nodes. Number of data nodes are there at the bottom layer, and whereas the
With
upper
again
level
using those two
level
layers, so
is a
using
master
the
node, which is a
HDFS and
single node,
MapReduce.
and which
So on
consisting
the
of the
first master node,
MapReduce layer
you would see
also,
that
that is
on
a
the
job tracker
MapReduce layer,
and name
there's a
node.
job
That is
tracker,
map. Okay,
and on
these
the
are the
second layer,
data
the
nodes are
HDFS
being
layer,
mapped on the name
there's
nodes.
a name
Okay,
node.
and
On the slave,
task
you can see
tracker
that there's
has
two
been mapped on
MapReduce
the
layers, so
job
two
tracker. That
task
is a map, and that way
trackers,
we are
and on the
reducing that
HDFS layer,
using the
there's two
master
data
slave
nodes.
architecture.
So how
Now,
does it work?
using this
So
how
Hadoop's
Hadoop
distributed
actually
file
works.
system, so
That's a Hadoop
HDFS,
distributed file system, which
there's
is
an
called as
example
a
of how it
name node
works. So
consists the
centralized
block
name node
replication,
maintains
and that
metadata
block
info of
replication
the
consists the
files,
data nodes mapping.
and then the many map
Centralized
data
name
node,
node maintains the
thousands of them
metadata
actually store the
information
actual
about the
data,
files,
and they're
and
divided into
actual data
blocks.
nodes
So
consist.
each block is
There may be
replicated
the thousands of
usually
actual
3
data
times.
nodes. Okay, and that stores
File
actual
of
data
1, 2, 3,
like
4,
the
5
file
blocks,
F.
so
That's a
64
1, 2, 3, 4.
megabytes.
Suppose the block that's a 64 MB,
So here's an
and
example of
then
the MapReduce execution
me
engine. 1, 2,
go to
3, 4,
backward.
5
Yes.
blocks.
Store the actual data, and each block is replicated n time. That is the default 3 times that can be
So
replicated.
64 megabytes.
Input
So
blocks
here's an
on the
example of the
HDFS
MapReduce
might
execution
be
engine.
scattered
input
one
blocks on
using that scattered
HDFS
color count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That is one of the way of
Produce
storing
one
data
color
using color
blue,
count. Then that is map across the
shuffle and
using some
sort
of the
based on
produces like
one color.
algorithm. Then they are shuffled
And this is
and
what
sort
MapReduce.
using on based on the K and reduces.
So it consumes.
That way we can see
You
the
can see how
mapping
it
is
works
done,
split
and
up
then
on each
the
color.
last way of consuming that data
Produces the
and
one.
again producing that data
So
for
users
the
only provide the map
outcome
and
purpose.
reduce
That is the
functions.
user only provides the map
So
reduce.
properties of
That is a job
MapReduce
tracker
engine
is a master
under
node,
the job tracker,
runs
the
with the
master
name node,
runs with
receives
the name
user's
node.
job,
So it
decides how
receives the
many
user's
tasks will
job,
be run.
decides on how many
It
tasks
says
will
of,
run, so
for
number of
example, this
mappers.
given
It
file has a
also
5
decides on where
blocks
to run each map.
that runs up to the 5 map tasks. Where to run the task is the block 1. Try to run it on the node 1 or 3. That is the block 1. That 1, 2, then the 2, 1, 4. That's how the mapping is done using the MapReduce engine or job
Proof of
tracker
concept of
concept.
locality. So the file has 5 blocks, which runs 5 map tasks.
This is something with respect to the Hadoop basic. You can go to this particular YouTube video. I will include this link at our Google Classroom so that you will get to know the details
So I
of
hope you
the
enjoyed and learned a little bit more about Hadoop from
basics
my
and
presentation. You should
fundamentals.
now have
Even
a
there
little
are
bit
some
of an
PDF
understanding why
notes
so many
also
companies are
available on
willing to
the
use
Hadoop
Hadoop
and
over
big
any other
data, how
program on the
to
market.
how the Hadoop
I've
actually
included a
works.
link to YouTube video of another presentation that you can check out for further. I have a lot more as well. So if you look here,
Okay, let me stop
you
this
see a
share. We will go back to our presentation.
picture on there. It tells you what the big deal about Hadoop is and its computing solutions. There's also a 3-minute video with the manager big data
Default is
from
a three
IBM, and
licas
he also
but can be
talks about
settable,
Hadoop.
scalable. As we
Okay,
have
so
seen, blocks
there's
are
my
placed on the
presentation.
same node or
Thanks for
different rack
watching.
or on the other rack. That is nothing but you can see the in-house replica of the data center. As we are dealing that the virtualization in whatever data center are there, that always dealing with the big data, and that's how the data is being stored on the data center at the data center using the big science or using the data science techniques of the MapReduce data is checked with the some of the algorithm like CRC32 is a for example, then file is created, it's been accessed, and periodically that file is being validated. And that is nothing but the MapReduce. These are the some of the MapReduce algorithm. MapReduce is a one terminology, and using that MapReduce, there can be number of algorithms that's suit for the particular programming model for the efficient distributed computing. For example, on the Linux pipeline, you can use the some of the Linux command line argument to get MapReduce work, and that is a good fit for a lots of application with respect to the log processing and index building. We have seen this that how the map reduce data flow is being done from input to the output. Now MapReduce features are it uses the Java and C++ APIs. APIs use means what? You can use their syntax Java and C++ syntax, and their object can be used under for the developing any MapReduce algorithm. Then each task can process the data set larger than a RAM. Automatic re-execution on the failure and locality optimization is possible by using the HDFC and MapReduce technology. This is something with respect to the how the Yahoo is using the Hadoop. Being this particular PPT is I have taken from the Yahoo data center or big data science and the Yahoo server, how they are being using the Hadoop for their better Yahoo Mail purpose. We started with the building Pater application by using Hadoop. They said because scale up of the web scale is possible factor coming out as a common node from the existing system are possible, and they manages the many cluster accordingly. Running the production web map search needs the graph of known web. We are going to see this in details in the next sessions that how actually being the Hadoop is being practicing practically managed. And for that purpose, we might have to buy the after Diwali, we are hoping that the labs are going or pandemic will ease out at the next unlock session by which is commencing from the 1st of November. And we will be able to open with the labs and library for or even the institute also for students to visit and do the practicals. At that time, we will see the detail that how actually Hadoop can be used for the practical purpose, and later on how it is affecting the nowadays computer science research also. That is something with respect to the Hadoop terminology. Before concluding session, again reiterate that please take the benefit of the study material available. At the next point, session will start with the revisions so that you will get to know you will prepare accordingly with respect to the university and term and examination. Thank you.